Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Jerry. I spoke with you today. And again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video I wanted to show was how you could increase the value of your company and how websites work on Google. There are three key factors needed to rank your business and generate yourself some exposure and some traffic. So briefly go over content, backlinks, and citations. Now you're a construction company in Fayetteville, so I typed in construction company Fayetteville. So understand everything that you type into here or anything that you type into the Google search bar is considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search for what's been typed in the search criteria. Um, Search engine optimization, SEO. Now, Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keywords or phrases that get typed in here and categorize those websites based on the content, and that is how you establish rank. Now, typically, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords needed. So, this is what pulls up Construction Company Fayetteville. Of course, we have the map section or the map pack. Ranking here in the map pack is based on your Google Business Profile. You need a Google Business Profile with your name, address, and phone number, obviously, and your search area coverage or the area that you cover. Citations are directly linked to your Google Business Profile. Citations, again, are name, address, and phone number from directories like Yellow Pages, BBB, Angie, Yelp, and that helps you rank right here in the maps. Once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you're bringing value and you move up the rank structure. The map section right here generates a lot of local traffic and creates more leads and becomes more sales. So anything, with that being said, anything underneath the map, you'll wonder, how do businesses get on the first page of Google? Why are they here? So this comes from organically ranking with content and backlinks and keywords or phrases within the website that they have built. So I'll give you some examples. Yelp and Angie and House, those are just advertisements. That doesn't count. When you have an organic rank, for example, this Fayetteville NC top rated or Southeastern Homes, and then we also have Glassdoors, doesn't count. Then you have MS Square. So we have position 4 and position 6. Now, in position 4, this is their website, Southeastern General Contractor. And I have a tool. This is the tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. It shows me what's going on behind closed doors and how they rank and why. I did say backlinks are a major ranking factor. A backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your site from another site. Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. Now, keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, pizza or maybe a landscaping company down the road or a Pizza Hut or something referring back to you isn't going to carry as much strength and weight behind it as another construction company, either their site or a reference to you from them. There's more weight behind that. And of course, Google uses that. That builds trust. Also, he has 47 domains, other sites connected to him from that. And then he has 68 keywords built into the site or within his content, generating him 69 views per month from that. So to give you an idea how this works, these are phrases or keywords that are typed into Google, and this is the volume or the amount that they are typed per month. So general contractors, Fayetteville, 350. General contractor, Fayetteville, 300. Contractors, Fayetteville. Home builders in Fayetteville. Custom contractor, Fayetteville, 100 times, 450, 250, 300. So collectively, you understand all of these things added together generate a lot of volume and a lot of exposure to your website, and that just turns into leads and clients. Um, I wanted to show position number 6. This is his website, and he has 13 backlinks 5 domains, 31 keywords with 33 traffic, and he's in the number 6 spot, and that's excellent. Now, keep in mind, either one of these, whatever their backlinks and keywords are, you can have the same. If he has 13, you can have those and an additional for 20. Whatever his keywords are, 31, you can have those and then some, so you get 45. This is how the rank structure works. That way that you're recognized by Google when they're looking for the keywords, they're looking for websites that best fit the search criteria, search engine optimization. So it's really important to understand how your content, your backlinks, your citations, and all this come together, and you just quickly start to see the value that comes from that. It's important to have a well-built website. It can bring a lot of value to your company. Without the right content or the keywords, it's just kind of like having a business card on a desert island. I mean, nobody's going to see it. I mean, you get a website built and you say, wow, I got a website, but I'm not getting any more traffic. I don't understand. That's because it's not getting enough exposure or the right content. And all these things that come into factor, they weren't put together right. I mean, a lot of companies can build a beautiful website, but some of them just fall short in certain areas. So, excuse me, I hope you have a better understanding of how this works and why companies are on the first page and what generates that traffic and how you can get that exposure and get those sales. Yeah, it's been a long day for me. So I just want to get this out to you. If you had any questions or concerns, I'd be more than happy to work with you and talk to you. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video and have a nice night.